Hello, my friends. My name is Sophia. Today, I will tell you about my study routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. Sometimes I want to study English in the evening. I sit at my desk with my notebook and my laptop. The room is quiet and the light is soft and warm. But sometimes my brain feels tired. I look at my phone. I check messages. I open social media. Then I look at the clock. Oh no, 30 minutes are gone. This happens to many people. Maybe it happens to you too. Don't worry, you are not alone. Today I will share a simple story about my real study routine. It is not perfect, but it works for me. First, I prepare my study space. I clean my desk and open my English notebook. I make a cup of hot tea. The tea smells sweet and warm. This helps me feel calm and relaxed. Then I sit down and tell myself something simple. I will study for only 20 minutes. Not 2 hours, just 20 minutes. This small plan helps my brain feel safe. Sometimes before I start studying, I want to do other things. I check my phone, I look for music, I open many tabs on my laptop. This is a common problem. Look at this word, procrastinate. Procrastinate means you delay something important. You know you should do it, but you keep doing other things first. Many students procrastinate before studying. I do this sometimes too. But when I remember my 20-minute rule, I take a deep breath and start reading one small lesson. Then I try to concentrate. Concentrate means to give your full attention to something. I read a short English story. I write new words in my notebook. Sometimes the words are easy. Sometimes they are difficult. When I don't understand something, I feel confused. But that is okay. Learning is not always easy. Sometimes my mind begins to drift. I look at the book, but I start thinking about dinner or tomorrow's plan. This also has a name. Look at this phrase, space out. Space out means your mind stops paying attention. Your eyes see the page, but your brain is somewhere else. When this happens, I close my eyes for a moment. I take a slow breath, then I read the sentence again. Slowly, my focus comes back. Little by little, I understand more. Next, I take a short break. My brain is not a machine. After 20 minutes, it needs a little rest. I stand up and stretch my arms. I drink some cool water. Sometimes I look out of a window. The night sky is dark and quiet. The fresh air feels nice. After 5 minutes, I sit down again. Now I review what I learned. Review means to look at something again so you remember it better.
I read my new words one more time. I say them slowly. I write a simple sentence with each word. This helps the information stay in my memory. When we study slowly and review often, our brain can retain the information. Retain means to keep something in your memory for a long time. This is much better than studying everything in one long night.
After that, sometimes I meet a difficult lesson. Maybe the grammar is confusing, maybe the listening exercise is fast. I try again and again, but it still feels hard. This moment is Vanny time. This moment is called struggle. Struggle means something is very difficult and you must try many times. In the past, I felt sad when I struggled. I thought maybe I was not smart enough. But now I understand something important.
Struggling means my brain is growing. When something is hard, my brain is learning new patterns. Slowly, I begin to grasp the idea. Grasp means to finally understand something difficult. Sometimes it takes many days. Sometimes it takes weeks. But one day the idea becomes clear. This moment feels wonderful and very satisfying.
Finally, I finish my study time. Some days I study for 20 minutes. Some days I study longer. But the most important thing is that I start. My routine is simple and real. I study a little every day. I take short breaks. I review what I learn, and I stay patient when things feel difficult. That is my study routine. It is not perfect, but it helps me learn step by step. What about you? Do you have a study routine? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.